Alright, hello guys, welcome back. Today is February 9, 7 p.m. Monday. Um, just a quick recap and rest of week outlook. Starting off with NQ, we got what we wanted in terms of seeing that move higher. Um, at first I thought we weren't gonna go for this because um, London already did so, already went up here and then it started moving lower. So I thought that was all the retracement to premium we needed, but it turns out we wanted to go a little bit higher. And I actually did take a trade. I took a short because of, what I said, London. Asia and London was used, Asia was used to go higher into the premium, and then London was used to move lower. And basically, I just took this entry right here, bearish FVG with sweep of high, which was also on the 15-minute. And it did work out. I mean, I want to show you MNQ because that's where the magic happened, and I did record a little bit of it, screen record. It's towards the end, but I'll probably still include it in the video. I'll probably post it. But what had happened at first was around this time, after trading into this FEG and sweeping this high, I noticed that we had a slight SMT, so I decided to enter with one micro, only risking like $50. And after that didn't work out because, I I like to enter with one micro if it's at like 7:30 because my highest probable time is nine, post like 9:30 to 8:30 range, mostly 9:30. I like a lot. I like trading the manipulation and then entering for the distribution. So, but I noticed that I've been missing a lot of opportunities when I do that. So I've decided to enter with one micro if my model is met at a earlier time. So here it's met. I decide to enter. I get stopped out. And then here, same thing. It's met. I decide to enter again. And I enter and I enter with two micros this time because it's a little bit more conviction. It's 8 a.m. and we started closing below. And then 9:30 hit. 9:30, I saw 9:30 start making a little bit of a move higher, and then it didn't move higher anymore. It flipped and it started moving lower, and that's where I entered full position. I entered another three micros and essentially rode it all the way down to this low. I took off four here. Not even here because I was a little bit delayed to the move. I was recording and I wasn't really focused on having my take profit level, which I really should have, but I'm not. It's fine, I'm not gonna worry about it. So I closed probably around here with four, and then I had one runner, and then it went up to. It stopped me out in not in break even, in profit by like $70. So overall a very good trade, and I'm not going to complain. Now I am a little unhappy that I caught the manipulation, if you will. I like catching the actual distribution, the actual range, but I actually only caught this. So I was kind of manipulation, even though it was a pretty good trade and it was a nice amount of points. I want to get in on these the big bodies, not the wicks. I don't care much about the wicks. I want the bodies. So, I'm gonna count myself lucky that it worked out like that. But yeah, we ended up moving higher from there, and you could attribute it to ZB being decoupled because it was bullish at the time, or you can just attribute it to maybe we want to go higher, maybe we wanted to go up here. I don't know, but yeah, I'm glad it worked out, and I'll definitely post a execution video. Looking at the dollar, dollar was extremely bearish, which could be a reason why NQ decided to be bullish. But yeah, I mean, dollar found reaction off of this FVG and started moving lower. Now we're inside this FVG, so exactly as we mentioned. And now I'm just watching to see if we want to pop higher from here, some type of confluence that shows us we want to maybe move higher from there. We'll watch maybe a market structure shift on this 1 hour with, you have an inversion, and then this I think becomes a breaker, low high, lower low, higher high, and then you have this as an inversion level, and then you have all this. So I'm definitely watching for a market structure shift, but we very well could move lower, find resistance off of it, and then continue to the low, which will then make us be pretty bullish on NQ. So yeah, just watching right now. It's at equilibrium. Could do anything. I'll watch and see what happens tomorrow. Play it really safe. And yeah, hope you found this insightful. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like or drop some type of feedback. Take care. Be safe.